Children, we will study next part of second chapter of civics of your class, role of the government in health. Today we will start with the topic healthcare and equality. Is adequate healthcare available to all? It's very simple question and can be answered by you very easily, right? Because we have discussed about private and public healthcare services in India. If we talk about private, it's very costly, available not for all. Only rich people can have access to private health services. Public health services are for all the people of low cost and with the many facilities, but sometimes not adequate for all the people in the country. Some private services encourage incorrect practices to earn more, at times inexpensive alternatives, though available, may not be used. For example, some medical practitioners are found to prescribe superfluous medicines, injections, or saline when simple medicines may suffice. In fact, barely 20% of the population can afford all the medicines that they require during an illness. Hence, even for those whom one might not think as being poor, medical expenses cause hardship. So, students, this very simple thing to understand that private hospitals are not for all and not in access to all the people, because poor people cannot afford the expensive, right, of the private facilities. So it was reported in a study that 40% of people who are admitted to hospital for some illness or injury have to borrow money or sell some of their possessions to pay for the expenses, right? So although it is the duty of the government, but in spite of that, the people have to suffer, right, have to face several problems to get treatment in the private hospitals or sometimes in public hospitals also. You can see in the picture, in the rural areas, a jeep is often used to serve as a mobile clinic for patients. And in the second picture, you can see that this pregnant lady has to travel many kilometers to see a qualified doctor. So it is not adequate service for all the people in the country. So the expenses on illness make their situation even worse, right? So this is the example of worse situations for the people to get treatment in the hospitals. Clear? Okay. What can be done? Now the problem has been diagnosed, right? But what is the solution? Here we have two models of the solutions, and these two models, one of them is from Indian state. Which state? Kerala. The experience of Kerala. Now we'll study about the experience of Kerala. You can see here in southern India, here is Kerala on the western coastal region of Arabian Sea. Clear? This is the state of Kerala in India. Here in Kerala in 1996, the government made some major changes in the state. What? 40%. How much percent? 40% of the entire state budget was given to panchayats. To whom? Panchayats. This budget was given to panchayats. They could plan and provide for their requirements. This made it possible for a village to make sure that proper planning was done for water, food, women's development and education. This meant that water supply schemes were checked and working of schools and Anganwadis was ensured, and specific problems of the village were taken up. So in this way, this was the model of Kerala. Something else we will discuss about Kerala model. In Kerala, health centers were also improved. All of this helped to improve the situation. Despite these efforts, however, some problems such as shortage of medicines, insufficient hospitals, beds, not enough doctors remained, and these needed to be addressed. So we can think about Kerala model, although the steps were taken by the government are very good, right? But in spite of that, we have to improve the system, right, in all the states of India, including Kerala. After discussing the healthcare system of Indian state of Kerala, now we'll discuss about Costa Rica. This is a Western country, right? Western developed country, Costa Rica. It is situated in Central America. Central America, and having the coast of Caribbean islands in the east and Pacific Ocean in the west. Here Pacific, this is the Pacific Ocean, and here Caribbean islands, right? So Costa Rica is considered to be one of the healthiest countries in Central America. What is the main reason? The main reason for this can be found in the Costa Rican constitution. What constitution is telling? That several years ago, Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. Clear? Listen very carefully. This is very important decision, and you can think that without army, any country, how can it make itself safe from other countries in this time of the present day, where the different countries try to expand their income, try to make themselves very powerful, right, and want to put their influence on other countries. So in this time when Costa Rica decided not to have army, getting my point? So this helped the Costa Rican government to spend the money that the army would have used on which? Health. On health. That money was used that was earlier used on armies, right? So education, on health, education and other basic needs of the people. So in this way the money was safe and used for other purposes, basic needs of the people. The Costa Rican government believes that a country has to be healthy for its development and pays a lot of attention to the health of its people. The Costa Rican government provides basic services and amenities to all Costa Ricans, all the people of the country. For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition and housing. Health education is also considered very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at all the levels. So dear students, you can understand very easily that how the good system was implemented in Costa Rica, right? It is also known as Costa Rican approach, right? So I hope that you understood both of the models of health services, Kerala and Costa Rica. Clear? So in this way we have completed this chapter. I hope that you understood the chapter. Revise the chapter by watching videos again, and if you have any problem you can ask me by writing in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.